What is the philosophy of mindfulness? Let's look at that as well. So Kabat-Zinn makes some philosophical statements in his books as well. He makes this statement that we have this intrinsic wholeness. That's one thing that he mentions. And then he mentions that there is this original, anadi wholeness, and what was born whole. That means we were always whole, complete. And he says that this is actually intrinsic wholeness at any time, because its very nature is that it's always present, which is called nityam. It's being a nitya vastu. It is who we truly are. Again, he mentions that. And then again, he says another one, we are in touch with this being whole, one with everything. Idea of non-duality, Advaita, comes about. And one with everything, we feel whole ourselves. Now, the philosophical statements, the implications are this. Now, two ideas emerge from these statements. Wholeness is intrinsic. It is our nature. It is our swarupa, he mentions. Wholeness is non-dual, meaning Advaita, he mentions. Now, the unique thing is the ideas of wholeness are not taught in early Buddhism. In Buddhism, we only see Shunyavada, Shanikavada. We see that, Vijnanavada. In fact, Anatta, Anatma is what is taught. There's no idea of wholeness or completeness in early Buddhism. But Kabat-Zinn talks about wholeness in his works. So that creates a problem. But the problem can be solved when we know Vedic literature. Because when we look at this Advaya a little closely, you find that Buddhists use the word Advaya, not Advaita. When Buddhists use the word Advaya, it means the middle path. It doesn't mean non-duality. We need to be very clear about that. In early Buddhist work, we see Advaya as the middle path, not Advaita. But the Advaita concept of Purnam and Ananta appears in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, and Chandogya Upanishad. We have the reference for that of Purnam. I think you all will know Purnamadav Purnamidam, the famous Shanti mantra. We have that. We have a precedence for this in the Upanishads. And as you would know, Shankara also doesn't use the word Advaita in his Prasthanatraya Bhashyam. Shankara uses the word Abheda Darshanam, or use the word Dvaitavada Pratisheda. That's the word that Shankara uses. He doesn't use the word Advaita at all. So, again, non-duality is suggested as an idea very similar to the Advaita Vedanta teachings by Kabat-Zinn.